Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have another free product from a vendor, and this is a paid review. So let's get straight to it, shall we? This is an ultrasonic cleaner. This can clean jewelry. It can clean dentures. It can clean anything, any pieces that you need cleaned. It can clean hardware. It can clean anything, virtually anything that can fit inside here that you need cleaned ultrasonically. And ultrasonic creates tons and tons of little bubbles that hit up against the item that you're trying to clean, and those bubbles explode against it and making it knock the particles off of it. So what I'm going to do here is we are going to clean a couple of jewelry items. We have a couple of rings, my wife's wedding ring, and a signet ring from a leadership course that we both attended. And I'm actually I have a dental fixture in my mouth that I am going to pull out, and we're going to get that cleaned too. So I'm going to show you everything that this thing can do. So the first thing that you do, I've got it all set up. You can see that it's very easy. You just plug it in, and it has a container here, and there is a max fill line here. And I know that the dental appliance that I have in my mouth is pretty dirty. I don't clean it very often. So I am going to actually use just a little teeny, I mean, you don't need very much at all, just a little bit of soap with it too, which will help with the jewelry too. Because jewelry, I don't know if you've ever really looked at your jewelry, but jewelry gets very disgusting. So what you do is you fill it up to the, close to the max line. Since I'm using soap, I'm not going to go all the way up to the max line because I'm first time I've used this, but I'm afraid that there's probably going to be bubbles involved. So I'm going to, some of the things that it comes with is there are some items here that I think you can put in there to keep track of your items, like so. And then there is a brush also. So, and I am going to honestly just put just the smallest spot of soap in there. Just the smallest spot of soap. And I have a front tooth fixture here that I'm going to pull out, and I'm going to put it in there too. I am going to show it to you. I'm not going to smile anymore because it's embarrassing to smile without it, but I am going to show it to you just to show you that there is dirt, and it does get built up of food particles and things like that on it. So you can see there's a butterfly denture, a bridge. So I'm going to put that in there. And you simply close this, and then you turn it on. Do we wait 3 minutes? Okay, we are back, and it has just finished its first cycle. I might run this for 2 cycles because this stuff has been so long since it's been cleaned. But let's take a look. Oh wow, it is very, very clean. This ring is so clean. Wow. Like really got clean. It's shiny. And this time I'm going to put it right down on the bottom. Let's check out my wife's wedding ring. Wow. Now that was a little bit more dirty, but it looks very much cleaner. are so cool. It looks very shiny. Very, very shiny. Wedding ring. Oh, wow. The second time did it. It is bright and sparkly. See it sparkling now. It was very dull before. Sparkling. Now I got the little plants. It was pretty clean before, after the first time. It is very clean now. But it needed a good cleaning. It really did. Backside there, how shiny it is. My teeth. Well, as you can see, and I put my tooth back in. As you can see, this really, I mean, I don't know if it does, the pictures probably don't do justice, but this really cleaned these rings, and it cleaned my tooth really well. I would say, guys, if you have things to clean, and I mean, just the bottom of this, and I don't think I can show it to you, but the bottom of here just is full of dirt. So it just knocked all kinds of dirt off of these rings. Go out and get yourself an ultrasonic cleaner. You won't be sorry.